With traditional farmhouse looks and clean modern lines, Houseplan 6846 offers homeowners the opportunity to own a mid-size home that is both classic and contemporary. It carries gables, mixed siding, and wood accents around the back for a beautiful, balanced exterior design. And you can create the perfect outdoor living space with a covered and uncovered patio. Of course, this home's stylish appeal continues to the interior. The entry features a brightening transom window and a coat closet. Through the French doors, there's a gorgeous forward-facing den. And there's a powder room just on the other side. The utility room connects to the garage to the rest of the home. It includes plenty of storage for cleaning supplies as well as shoes and outerwear. The great room is positioned at the back of the house for privacy and to take in any views. With no partitions, its completely open floor plan provides a very spacious feel. On one end, the U-shaped kitchen maximizes cabinet storage and counter space. It offers an efficient layout and island bar with seating for casual meals, easy cleanup, and hosting convenience. The living space on the opposite side has a cathedral ceiling, plenty of glass for natural lighting, and a fireplace that adds focus to the room. You'll find the master suite tucked away on the ground floor. The bedroom has front and side windows while the bathroom faces the back. With two walk-in closets, a wide double vanity, a soaking tub, a tiled stall shower, and a private water closet, the bathroom hits all the checkboxes. There are two bedrooms and full bath upstairs along with this large bonus room over the garage. It can be anything you want, but it's a perfect space for the kids to help keep the main floor quiet. Don't forget the potential of the stunning covered patio either. Visit our site to see more photography of Houseplan 6846 and to learn more about making this home your own.